Hi everyone, I'm Taryn from Roarockit, and usually I'm behind the camera, but today I'm here to show you our brand new product, which is the Multiboard. So the Multiboard is a great option for you if you're coming from one of our pre-shaped deck builds and you want to move on to something a little bit more complicated. It comes with uncut veneer sheets with pre-engraved templates on them, so you can choose from a variety of boards. Right now I'm going to show you the street deck, but we also have a longboard version, so stick around to see that. So first, it comes with our 20x70 thin air press kit, which includes everything you need to do vacuum lamination. So it's got our super pump, it's got breather net and extra sealing tape, and finally it's got our thin air press bag, which is where the magic happens. The kit also comes with instructions, 2 pieces of sandpaper, a measuring cup for the glue itself, a glue roller, and then also our yellow scraper. It also comes with the veneer set and the 3-dimensional mold. These are uncut sheets, but they have the pre-engraved templates on it, which serve as a guide for you to cut out your board. So this kit is great for teachers because you only have to get one kit, but each student can choose which board they want to build. We also have this in packs of 10 and 20, which work great for schools, after-school programs, or summer camps, anything like that. But one thing to note is you do need a jigsaw or a bandsaw to do this project because you will need to cut out the shape of the board. Once you press it, it will look something like this. If you're using a jigsaw, you're going to want to put your template on the bottom of the board so that you can easily go around and cut it out. Whereas if you're using a bandsaw, you would want to put your template on the top so that when you're feeding it into the bandsaw, you won't have any problems. So the Street Deck kit comes with 9 different shapes possible. There are some new ones and there are some old favorites from our pre-shapes. For example, here we've got our little rocket, which you might have done before. You can also go ahead and modify any of these shapes if you're not happy with them. You want to change the kick a little bit, you want to change the nose. You have the freedom to do that with this kit. So here are all the boards you can build with the Multiboard Street Deck kit. We've got 9 different shapes here. First, we've got our little rocket. We've got a new board here. This one is called the fish rocket. This one we've got is the big rocket. This one's got a nice kick on it. This one's very cute. We got the little ghost rocket. This one here is the little pintail. Here we've got the bottle rocket. We've got the classic old school shape. And then, as always, we have the classic street deck, which is available in an 8.5 and a 7/7/8. Those templates are combined, so you can choose which width you want, or you can choose something in between. Here we have the longboard set and 3-dimensional shaped mold. This kit has 8 different possible shapes, and they're all different from the street deck. We've got here the rocket dancer. We've got the classic pintail. We've got here the blues rocket. We've got the fish rocket. Here we have the phantom rocket. This one here is the power rocket. We've got the super rocket. And lastly, here we've got the mummy rocket. So the multi-longboard kit also comes with everything you see here. We also have it in packs of 10 and 20 for teachers and schools, and we have refill kits of the multi-longboard and the multi-street deck. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are very excited about our brand new product, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call or email us or check out our website at www.roarockit.com.